this is the important thing here. And I'm really trying not to brag. This is a testament to the power of how true Jesse's information and content actually is. Not picking up a guitar, not recording, like 10 years, right? And not really knowing that sync licensing was a thing, or that it was something I could participate in, to about 60 days, a little over 2 months, having completed a 10-track production album, creating a website for my sync licensing, pitching that. And I kind of made some mistakes in the pitch process, which I didn't follow some of Jesse's advice, and we can talk about that, which is how I actually led to me getting 2 offers, which I'm currently fielding right now and trying to decide what the best team is going to be to join, who I can be the most valuable to and who can be the most valuable to me, because that's important, I think, too. I will say, if I hadn't had all of that stuff that's in Sync Academy and Sync Edge, I'd probably have 2 songs done right now, because I wouldn't have set that goal. I wouldn't have known the direction to go. I wouldn't have had the end point clearly in mind, what I wanted to have done. And I wouldn't have been able to break that down into manageable pieces, figure out the time management, which is that's actually one of the whole business section in Sync Academy is excellent.